Woman, una know no what the hear that one. If you want to marry my country woman, prepare. You want to prepare people. Nanga fere is there prepare. You want to marry bakwere woman, prepare. You want to prepare. Timana Musa for bakwere woman. Mongo chobi for basa woman. Bobolo. Myondo for Douala woman. Bobolo for Yaoundé woman. Uga kwata dem, madam kwata dem, una dia wi, una odena for nak today. The first story they will go naka for na today, na palava kick. Two Njaka them, they don't kick buru. One kick buru, the other one kick buru. No matter for the same family, and then I know their age. So small girl picking, small Njaka for 14 years. That means they don't turn only 14 calendar. He don't go for us for play with Imami to keep Muru. They begin want to say me Imami die. He don't to Imami a 2.3 million. When they return some people they say that begin keep money for bank, they know the year. That reme don't keep money na fontang. If money de fontang, he don't keep a height and fine, they begin, you know they play with the Muru day. What I don't go be done as some small boy where the boy don't tell you say do so, we go Canada, we go Europe, we go do it you. Na so they picking it was that 2.3 million. A chapum. As I tell na so te rich na so. They never see the picking. They mommy they cry. They cry, send me the hell before see picking. They picking, never see them. Now, some of we, papa and mommy them, would be the cause for some of the problem the way we'll be faced with. That means say, if you fail for educate picking from 0 to 5 years, any other thing where you put up for head, it go trump for enter. So, may we begin take care for picking them when they small. Now, when they small, we inculcate them, they will not enter the talk. We put all the necessary values and what we want them. We would educate them the way so they go to grow up with the way we don't educate them. But now, the person where don't manipulate this small picking, 14 years Njaka, he don't thief 2.3 million for him. Even as some man picking don't take this small girl, they go with them with that money. Now just say the mommy don't launch, he don't send alert, SOS, service on sales. So, we give that information them. That's so the thing they come. Una take care of. If una get buru, una put them for bank. Una put them for bank. I mean say bank. I not talk that kind of because of other one go to manguru get the financial houses and way they fit to una money too. It be very important. If that maybe don't put that money for bank, that is small get picking for 40 years. You know for kick that money. Countryman, countrywoman. We come out for Douala, we cross Yaoundé, now with that, we enter for Garoua. As we enter Garoua, what happen for day? Another palava Kingburu. The one, na some small perika for 50 years. 50 years perika, a Kingburu for a papa, that means na repair, that will tell na repair mburu we kick. The one kick na repair money, repair mburu 1.5 million. Peripheral, don't ask if food say which I chop, I don't give you. So take a rich now. Repelo no play way the peripheral ide. Sometimes a soba no can fui. Tell you say if you get 1.5 million, we will make you go Canada. You get 1.5 million, we will make you go Abu Dhabi. Peripheral don't mean by saying nothing, it don't enter day. Oh, it didn't have for ballet, we didn't have for what you on for Johnny 4 photo. Who know? So te rich now. Reperify Njaka, you never see Njaka, countryman, a countrywoman. Njaka is nowhere to be found. Now, grandma, where I put her for that place, countryman, a countrywoman. Countryman, countrywoman, for that side for Colbison, for Yaoundé. So, small girl picking the way, you too, they know the see ye. Small Njaka, for Colbison, his name na Esadidi Yene Mirel Jose. If you go school for that school where they call her, that college where they call her, say, lycée classique for Colbison. Now government college for that side for Colbison. They mami they define, they don't put number. Since now our customer them, we go send it, we go read this number. 67705 5804. 651 66 54 53. Now the numbers in that. If you wanna see Isadidi, Yene, Mireille, countryman, countrywoman, una call that number them. They go, the people they go come directly so that they can take that picking. They know they see one hour to happen. Oh, Nadine young boy, they don't take and go hide them on. Since on the 11th of April, when that small Njaka so he don't lost, they define they don't see countryman, countrywoman. Now that SOS that will be one long charm, so that one I know say things they happen way, not correct. Countryman, countrywoman, an incident happened yesterday for that side for Fumban. For that side for Fumban, what happened? Countryman, countrywoman. Now that baobab, some baby stick, it fall. That stick, it fall for on top, so pharmacien, that means a woman where they take care for pharmacy, for some medical center for that side, for Kokwep, for Malum, now for Fumban, where the thing take place. Stick fall on top that medical center, and then woman will say medicine them. That means say jabu them for that medical center, Ikwara. The thing happen now about 15 hours ago. That means say for night for the Monday night breaking to Tuesday morning, where did it happen for that side for Kukwet Malum for town for Fumban. So they might be say jabu them, it is same medicine for that Fumban medical clinic where they call us so they reme idon kwara countryman countrywoman. Countrywoman na bati now we happen for that side. Another information what they give and say they tell we man picking the na woman any day it don't begin go na some kind of way they go some way not correct. So woman where they call it say Chanel where he must have been don't nari even an artist with the sing Mutumbo. He must have been nari very badly. He don't come out, he talk about woman they maybe they no green me they begin knock them. If they want knock you, better maybe you come out for that kind of toxic relation. Now so Chanel he blow that Tory countryman countrywoman. Now that countryman countrywoman another Tory he day Stephanie Tum. Una know no? Yes, we can talk that one for special way. Stephanie Tum day for news today. Stephanie Tum another video director with that film producer instead film producer. Stephanie Tum he move new film then. We will talk about Stephanie Tum for some small time. But before one come, we'll talk about Stephanie Tum and then we'll talk about Ndamba because we will talk Ndamba and then we'll talk culture for the Pidgin news. We want say countryman, countrywoman, Mona Yedi one. He named na Blue Grey. It is sing with Magasco. The song it be entitled Toxic. When we talk now culture, we will talk about Musti Charismatic. We will talk about Tenor and the former manager. We take in defense. We will talk too about Bless Option when some film producer. We will talk too about Stephanie Tum as I tell una countryman, countrywoman. Countrywoman. Una want say more start for Oka place for Brenda Bia. We don't talk say you want go school for go learn how to begin draw professional drawing. You want go school for France and go school for that side where they call and say Japan. Japani. Now so it is. Countryman, countrywoman. Most start with Brenda Bia. Brenda Bia picking from Kunkuma for Po Abeya. He don't go on top TikTok. He talk for TikTok say what he want do now. He want go school for learn how for begin draw that manga them. He want begin draw that Naruto, Bleach, One Piece, FMA, Dragon them. He want begin draw them. So for do so, he get for go school. And for go school, for go begin draw how they call it for French and Abedi. Them say that designing. He go school for that side for Japan. When exactly Brenda Bia they go school, he no talk up for inside that a TikTok live where he do up. Una no say before if papa they be one day may he be one a judge or he be a governor or he be a prefect. That means say DO. He start that school for Inam. He go small in a brother junior. They go Inam. So they after some time they commode them. Brenda Bia he too commodity. That me say you know be na he calling. No me na ti way be one for do am. So we let picking them they choose which they want do more. No begin force them for do which way we think say that the team fight for them. We just ask them question. What you would like for B? What you want do? What be the team way they make you get passion where they do and you feel at ease. If they pick answer na for the way you supposed for directly because if I for do team where you like them, if I for do team where you feel free where you do am. Because if you do team way they force you for do am. Oh, countryman, countrywoman. Now time that we don't leave Brenda. We enter for Palava Cinema. We talk about the film, the new film for Stephanie Toom, influencer. Stephanie Toom, because you know be only actor, you know be only comedian, you know be only film producer, maybe he be influencer too. And when I know say first film or the other film, the last film, no be that first film because you don't shoot plenty film there. The last film we shoot am na Deadline for Love. And that film, it be work a fine. It work a fine sote. Now this Stephanie Toom no come with another film, Beneath the Clock. Beneath the Clock, na new film for Stephanie Toom. Una know no, Stephanie get a secret. Very courageous lady. Really confronting the way people they know if you imagine now. Una know. So with the witchy well, with the encourage and then with the way the different announcement where Stephanie Toom go make up for exact day for the commenting of the film. But una know say that means go there for the film. Na Sango Eti, Uni, Banta, na them composer. They produce the song. And then Malaksa, the company Street Studio, he mix them, he masterize them. Hey, grandma don't enter mama, masterize them. Hey, lewa. And then, now who they be inside that film? Countryman, una get Angel, Inugui, una get Anthony, Monjaru, una get Stephanie Toom Yisesef, una get Obichi Marshall, una get Michael Richard, una get Adonomi Joshua, una get Evelyn John, una get Aminu Aisha, una get Numen Carlos, una get Sonny McDonald, una get famous one Shia Ag, my that name truck Stephanie, say now it's Oneshia Gbe, the person way direct the film na Ruth Kweti, producer for the film na Ngwanula Sigale Lovet, and the executive producer, Madame Kwata for the project, na Stephanie Toom, and then the scenario na Doris Ariol, and then my house camera they come up for the other kind of thing them na MB production. So na so don't tell na the film that for Stephanie Toom. So the way Stephanie may do all the necessary arrangement will tell you when exactly. And then est-ce que Stephanie I mix fresh no? Est-ce que you go you understand what I mean no? Est-ce que you go make us say make the thing it come out for hall. Make people they watch out for hall. Now another question what would ask her now for understand. But countrywoman, una stay glued. It be very, very important because Stephanie, it will do all the necessary arrangement and make that one be possible. And it will be for a platform that you go announce them. And then, if he go pass you the information as usual, we two will come for here. We chakara the story for una countrywoman, for tell you how the team pass, how it go pass, how it go be. That's so. So, congratulations for you, Stephanie Toom. We'll talk about another producer for film, countrywoman. In name na Bless Option. Bless Option na a name na household name when we talk film production for Cameroon. It be one of the rare. When Stephanie Toom, Cindy Emade, Ebenezer Kepombia, Manula, they plenty, Cherin Tamak, but you know reach more than 10 as I say plenty. I don't talk a handful of them. I mean professional one, they do correct work. So Bless Option, everyday interview for Laura Dave Imedia. What the Bless Option talk, it make plenty people they shed tears. He explain and say he twin picking them. When get and today, the mommy for that twin picking them, it be quarter way the bond they picking them. For that time, it be then only 22 years. I be like first ndolo lamu esen jengele wa. Eba na dita ndolo ingale wa. Na first ndolo lamu. The girl it became biok. They go now for hospital when I accompany the girl for go born that picking them. What happen for the countryman, countrywoman, I say, the girl, he born the 2 pikin them, and then after, he quarrel for hospital. So, he don't take care for the pikin and say, so he talk say, if that girl is still there alive today, sometime, he career for don't go far. And then anytime when you do something, when you need to work for your life, he just remember say this, so if that girl be there, the thing for the work fine for your life. Now, since 25 years today, when they get that, so the pikin they don't be 25 years, Papa be there 22 years, so now 47-year-old man be blessed option. We now understand the thing, countryman, countrywoman. So blessed talk say he go write some film for tell that story, because that story that's something way he don't be with you for quite some time. He always shock you. He talk say if you don't be there, if you might be for a pikin they be there, sometimes you know for the do so, you know for the do so, sometimes you don't go far for any way they do am. Now so he dey. Blessed option. Call for you, Papa. Asia. Now so he dey whole heart. Countryman, countrywoman. Story day. Wait till the next story. What the try for now? Now tenor manager. Tafis. Tafis. If you know that time for Kamen Obanzik success now. For parler de sport for Yaoundé. Tafis. Tafis now, you know, they understand why plenty TikTok at them. They go begin talk say, tenor no the sing. Tenor il ne chante pas, il ne chante pas, chante pas, chante pas. What I chante pas na wait yo. I know me. Anytime, tenor ne chante pas, Chanel ne chante pas. On a plus, on a pas. Mais they explain for we how the thing go waka. Why TikTok at them, they talk say tenor you know they sing. Because according to them, the tenor they don't know where they do rap. And it change a small, it puts more sing there, it puts more rap there, it put a so for them now, you know they sing fine. Now anyway, Tafis, former manager for tenor, he come now, he defend tenor. He talk say they a witchcraft. You know some person, you there with you talk say they are friend, you talk say the artist so you like it. Then problem there, instead of what criticize for looking number for tell say I think say what you do so, you know, if I will do so. You go take your camera, you put up, you start the record up. Hey, tenor, I tell you, say no for sing this and that. It say it pass witchcraft. No baby I talk now Tafis talk up. It say people they pass their time for the copy to other one that they do. They want key that one the way they do the thing where they copy them. If una feel key that one the way they do the thing where they copy them. Una go copy who again? Una go copy who again? If you like some man, you pretend to some man they are friend, the man get problem, or you think some problem there for the way the man they do. The easy thing for do for you, now for contact the man, advise it directly. Now for contact your friend, talk for it directly. Instead of go put your camera, start the talk. I talk say they want know this so you know the hear people, you know the hear talk. What will they talk for them? They talk say this and that, para this and that. I think say Tafis is correct for what you talk. If man they are friend, I repeat them. If you talk to some man they are friend, you know feed go now for social media for go begin talk for you. No matter for social media. The best way for talk for you now for call you. The best way for talk for you now for write it. No be for go put your camera on for start talk about it in the way they do. Countryman, countrywoman. Another matter. Story a day, as I tell you now. What happen? The two happen, I say, Mustik charismatic, they don't see now with a woman. Mustik, they don't reconcile with a woman. Plenty people, they surprise. They say, but they don't chakara, no? They be talk for social media. They want talking on go this side. They want talking on go this side. Now, bad belly people, them, they chakara people, them, before they don't come them back together. Now, anyway, Mani Bella right, he talk say, now thanks to ye, when Mustik charismatic and woman Loika, they come back together. Say plenty people, they don't be glad about that they are couple them. They can begin put trouble, put down, confusion there. Put confusion as usual, no countryman. Confusion. Now so that plenty confusion, they don't put them so they don't make a so they go to place where chakaraka happen now for that couple. He say Mustik be over glad for marriage. They is surprised see how we bad belly people enter their middle they chakara them. So he be say Mani Bella say he enter for the matter. He take defense for Mustique charismatic. That way they talk with Mustique. He call that woman. He take defense of the woman. That he talk with the woman. And then he go meet up Mustique. Talk with Mustique. Go meet that woman. Talk with that woman. Months and months and months when they only talk for them. Una must come back together. No be una make a phone una chakara. Na people make a moon una chakara. Una couple una get for bless her. Una couple way una get for do so. He talk say he talk for them. He talk Mustique no one hear the talk. He go for Mustique woman. Loika, he try for explain and the woman say no one, no nothing. He no want no reconciliation with Mustique charismatic. Say don't finish for you so. Haha, they think me better. A bad prendi sote at the end of the end, country woman. Now so he succeed, he reconcile in two. So he talk now say he be very, very happy for the two way happen. He be happy how it take place, the way it be supposed to take place. Country woman. Now that's what they call her for big English. Say happy end. Well, yeah. I don't blow grammar. Say happy end. Well, a kuna man bakureban don't blow grammar for radio. Nathan this, mo nakuna palabandamba story for ndamba, story day, countryman, countrywoman. Una no, two the way they pass, or the way they pass for Cameroon now. So one in the way they don't understand. Say for do things for the right way, for make us say me they get work, they must coach somewhere too small. I salute my brother Sam Sivere go you know that shit. That way they call her for big grammar say schématisation en français. Let me bro en français. Ils don't make schématisation schématisationnellement. Tout est ils don't pay now. Countryman, when I know say some rumor they come to take a rich now. Say young sport don't talk say they no go play them for Garoua if they no give them the Amburu. Say they no want go them for Garoua. This and that, that and this. But before one can forgive now the officials them because the name of the officials will get up for here where they go blow that match them where they will take place today and for Sunday. We will give now the top scorer them for MTN Elite 1. Yes, would they be the top scorer for MTN Elite 1? Now, grief for football, he make that classification. Number 1 top scorer, Nadura Serge, 11 goals. The next one is Simplice Mbang, 10 goals. The third one, Dylan Achimi, 8 goals. The fourth one, Alexi Ako, 8 goals. The fifth one, Kalgong Kada, 8 goals. The number 6 man, Chindo Jambosco, 7 goals. Number 8, Boris Fumu, 7 goals. Number 9, Bless Ndifonchu, 7 goals. Number 8. Number 9, yes, number 9 now, David Ngandu, 7 goals. And number 10, Boris Ekoto with 6 goals. So, now the classification that for the best goal scorer, them so take this now for MTN Elite 1. Now, may we give una program and then we tell una who will be referee for the match them where they will take place for the Friday and the Sunday. Today for Wednesday na MTN Elite 2. And then for Friday na MTN Elite 1. For the people who go blow that match for start annex stadium for Yaoundé, for Miss Sports Stadium for Yaoundé. That match will take place for 2 p.m. That means for Friday. Fourth Azure, they play against Stade Rena for Melon. The doctor for that match will be Dr. Aben Rose, and then coordinator it will be Ngabonangi, and then media officer will be Wilfried Undwa, and then commissioner will be Baboga Guillaume. The way why they look the thing when they no put a referee and they say na surprise with the referee they go be a surprise. For 4 p.m. for Friday, AS Fortuna go play against Victoria United. Now so Abeng Rose go be doctor, coordinator go be Ngabuna Gi, and then media officer go be Wilfried Ondwa, and then commissioner for match go be Fongang, no bet. For Sunday, for Stade Annex for Bipanda, for 2 p.m., Dynamo they play against Aigle for Mongo. Doctor for that match, go be na Dr. Patrice Julien. And then coordinator go be na Ebobise Louis. Media officer go be na George Mbimbe. And then coordinator go be na Mr. Jean Alain. And then for 4 p.m., Union they play against PWG for Bamenda. Doctor go be na Patrice Julien. And then coordinator go be na Ebobise. And then media officer na Susu George. And then commissioner go be na Mongo Alphonse. Now we'll continue. The other one. For start from Buddha. For 3:30 p.m. Bambutus they play against Colon Sportif for Ja and Lobo. Doctor Gobina Wilfried Kana. Coordinator Gobina Temochu Jean. And then media officer Gobina Eve Fotu. And commissioner Gobina Coach Bida. For stadium for that side for Banjul. For 3:30 p.m. where Panther Fonde he play with Astro for Douala. Doctor na Mefo Anik. Coordinator General na Kemwe Pascal. Media Officer na Constant Chenche. And then Commissioner Nanti Tambet. Tambe. For stadium for that side for Rome Daja for Garoua. Cotton Sport they play against Canon Sportif de Yaoundé. Doctor will be na Dr. Nana Chakunte. And then coordinator will be na Talba Sali. Media officer na Eba Esonge. And then commissioner will be na Seydou Hassan. And then for 4 p.m. Gazelle FA for Garoua. He will play against Young Sport Academy. Doctor will be na Nana Chakunte. Coordinator general will be na Talba Sali. Media officer na Eba Esonge. And then commissioner for that match, commissioner for match will be na Jibila Mamoudou. Na that way concern MTN Elite 1 for people they will take care for all the different match the way they will take place for Friday and for Sunday. Countryman, countrywoman. MTN Elite 2. For MTN Elite 2, who will be official for the match? I mentioned that for una say for Elite 1, they don't put name for referee them. They don't put up. But for Elite 2, so referee, they put up. I don't know what they forget for put up on. I say they don't put them for the reason why they don't put them. Because referee them, so when they say they don't vex or because the association they threaten some they referee them, they don't want me they call them, they don't want me they car blew their match and then they'll see them for fee one time. Countryman for stadium for that side for Oja, for Centre Technique for Oja. They can put Centre Technique. For 3:30 p.m. Edding Sport for Lekki go play against Ice Fab for Yaoundé. Now who go be referee for that match? We get Ngobiem Marie. He go be referee. First assistant na John Ray Ba Adeline. Second assistant na be fourth assistant Kene Kwasu. And then doctor for the match go be na Dr. Jobsep Nuela. We get inspector na Adu Teres. And then coordinator general Landong Alphonse. Media officer na u na Soulier Paka. And then commissioner go be na Bella Eteba. And then for municipal stadium for that side for Abombang. Where Union Sportif for Abombang they play against Tonnerre Kalara Club. Doctor go be na Dr. Ekon. Coordinator na Agaye. Media officer na Charlie Zam. Commissioner na Gosi Engamba. For stadium for that side for Tico, municipal stadium for Tico for 3:30 p.m. It's social now today. It's social. They play against Bafman United. Doctor for that match na Dr. Tanken. And then coordinator general na Bison Makia. Media officer na Ivo Mwa. And then commissioner for match na Jumo Jonas. Aigle Royal for Menoir, you know, go play. They don't move their name because they go for rest. They don't play so much and then Jiko don't come out. Una understand. For that side, for Centre d'Excellence for CAF from Bankomo, for 1:30 today, FC Yaoundé 2 go play against Electric Sport Academy Kribi. Doctor for that match na Dr. Bilong. Coordinator General na Abolo Emil. Media Officer na Ariane Kuma. And then una get Commissioner na Binzi Lambert. Another match for Municipal Stadium for that side for Bafang. For people for Fefe. For 1:30 p.m. today, Unisport for Onkam it play against Racine for Bafusa. Doctor for that match na Dr. Abba Axel. Coordinator General na Fumu Jean. And then we'll get Media Officer with Gabriel Yosa. And Commissioner for match na Fufu George. For that side, for University for Bambele, University Stadium for Bambele, for 1:30 p.m. today. Go Kitunja for Bamenda, he go play against Avion Academy. Doctor go be na Dr. Angu Deslo. And then coordinator go be na Remis Jinti. Media officer go be na Nelson G. Abela, and then commissioner go be